Grabovoi concentration exercises for the 5th day of the month. On the 5th day of the month, you should concentrate on those elements of reality that emerge as a result of your interaction with other elements of reality. Let me explain what this means. When you direct your attention to any particular object, you in effect concentrate your consciousness on this object of reality. Through this connection with you, this object, this element of reality, acquires a certain portion of your concentration and a certain amount of knowledge. This object then passes on to other elements of reality, a part of the information it has received from you, and some knowledge about your condition. In the same way, the light of the sun shines upon various objects and is particularly reflected, thereby illuminating other objects. So, after you turn to look at some object, following its interaction with you, this object will transmit something of itself to the environment. Your task, therefore, lies in contemplating this and figuring out what it is that each element of reality is passing on from itself to the environment. You can, of course, focus on just one aspect of this act. You may concentrate on the object while simultaneously imagining your desired result. This is the technique. What is special about it is that in this instance, the desired goal is achieved through concentration upon the so-called secondary element, which you were able to identify. Hence, with the help of logical thinking, with clairvoyance, or any other spiritual pursuit, you identify exactly what the element you have chosen passes on to the environment after interacting with you. By concentrating upon this consequence, upon this secondary element of reality, while simultaneously visualizing the desired goal, you bring about its realization. Exercise number 2, 5th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 0, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 1, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4. Exercise number 3, 5th day of the month. When you look at the sky, you know that the earth exists. When you look at the earth, you may start thinking about the sky. When you are under the earth, you know that the sky exists above it. These simple truths are the source of the world eternal and everlasting. Connect the sky with the earth, and you will see that everything that is under the earth can also be above it. Walk towards your spirit, and you will find those who have been resurrected where they are to be found. If you bring infinity to the truth of the world, you will see that the world is infinite. And when you know this, you will find the true, genuine Creator, the one who has given you what you have, and you will create as He has created. He is very close to you. He is your friend. He loves you. You only need to extend your arms towards Him and create as He does. You are His creation, and you too are creators. Only the Creator, the Maker, can create those who are creators. You should live in harmony with the Creator. You must be open before Him, and you must be constant in all of your manifestations and in your own creations. Everything you would like to correct can be corrected at any time. Everything you would like to create, you can create wherever you are, and at the time you choose for it. You have an eternity to attain perfection. For good deeds, eternity is multiplied by the actions of the Creator. You are the one that He has seen in you, and that He has created in you. But you are also the one who want the Creator to be represented forever in His deeds within the infinity in which you see yourself. The Creator that is present in you is the same Creator that works through you in each of your actions. Turn to Him, and He will bring harmony into your life.